One way to save more battery on your iPhone is to disable background app refresh, so that all your application will not be working in the background section of your iPhone. And here, I'll show you how to turn off background app refresh on iPhone and save more battery. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off your apps from refreshing in the background section of your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on General. Now, under General, scroll down until say Background App Refresh. Click on that. Then, if you want to disable all applications from refreshing automatically in the background section, as this, all you simply need to do is click on Background App Refresh and then disable this. Once disabled, hit the power button. Then you should see all the application in the background disabled. And if you want to allow some application to be refreshed in the background section of your phone, just choose Background App Refresh, set this to Wi-Fi and cellular data, and then disable unwanted apps here to stop them from refreshing from the background, while you leave all the applications you want to be refreshed in the background section. And then you're good, but in my own case, I just prefer to turn off the background app refresh on my iPhone to save more battery. So, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.